Let's get to the point. If mahilig ka sa samgyeopsal, Uncle John's has a slush drink that tastes like the popular Korean popsicle, melona, which is melon flavored and popular na dessert after mabusog ka sa unlimited Korean barbecue. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. Nakadiet ako pero kahinaan ko talaga ang melon flavor, so sorry na lang sa Century Tuna Super Buds contest. Mauna na lang kayo. It definitely tasted like melona but too subtle pa. They need to increase the melon flavor by 30% pero I like na hindi siya currently too sweet. It comes with parang Oreo cookie bits on the side. I tried adding them. The small bits made me cough while sipping. This would be better as a sundae topping and eaten with a spoon, but not with a straw. Speaking of straw, while I love how paper straws are more eco-friendly, the included paper straw was hard to sip with kasi mabilis matunaw. And hindi rin correct ang cup cover nila, masikip for the straw. Sana yung parang plastic dome na lang with a hole on top. Pero better na rin than plastic straws kasi parang mga plastic na tao rin ang tagal mabulok. Sana sila ang biodegradable and sana sooner than later sila mawala. Click follow for the next story.